I want to show you how to use this tool, which is called a Hera tool, H-E-R-A, to take this and get a nice crisp seam all the way around. I'm going to start by using the curved side, and I am going to come through the opening, and I am going to just use that tool to press out that curve on both sides of the bag. I'm going to take the pointy end and very carefully poke the corners, and I'm going to go ahead and use it also. I'm going to pull this zipper up. I'm going to do my best to go ahead and push this out. It's not going to come out all the way because of the top stitching. The next thing you need to do before we go ahead and finish turning the bag all the way, you have two choices. This opening you can hand stitch closed, or you can machine stitch closed. I personally like to machine stitch closed, and I usually, if I'm working with softer fabric, I will go ahead and just turn it under like this a little bit. And you're gonna need some pins. All right, so I'm just gonna come in on my sewing machine, and I'm just gonna stitch very, very close to the edge right here just to close this up. I'm just gonna make sure you caught all that, which I did. You're also obviously not gonna wanna complete this step until you know that you didn't miss any seams on the outside of your bag and your zipper looks good and all that stuff. And then we're gonna come in and we are gonna keep turning things the right way out. And this is where this little Hera tool comes in really handy, just to get this lining pushed out so it looks nice. What you're going to do is take it over to your iron and give it a really good press. I usually will also take the Hera tool over to the iron. If there's a spot that I feel like is kind of stubborn, I will press it a little bit, and then while it's still hot from the steam, use the Hera tool to mark it up a little bit. I wanted to show you what a big difference it makes to go ahead and go over to your iron with some steam and to get all your layers flat. As you can see now, the case has a really nice shape. You can see the lining on the inside, nice and padded and ready for your sunglasses.